Vlogmas 6, which is crazy. I was just about to say I'm just starting my morning, but that's not true. I started my morning 3 hours ago, but I was planted right there on the couch editing that whole time and getting some work done. But I just made a coffee because I'm about to start getting ready for the day. We have a very busy day ahead of us. I'm going to finish filming a brand deal really quick, also edit and get that up tonight, and then I am going to finish my Vlogmas 5, edit and get that up tonight, and then I am gonna get ready and we're gonna finish off all of our Christmas shopping today. I've done most of it. I think there's just like 2 gifts that I need to do, and then I need to get wrapping paper and just want to make sure I have like all the groceries and everything already set. So I'm doing that now, so I have a few days to realize if I forgot something. We're just having a busy booked day, but all good fun things. So let's get the day started. Also, there's 3 days until Christmas, which means I have 3 days left of being 24. So crazy, but I'm really excited to start today. Also, my coffee turned out so good today. I think this is my best work so far. We finally got our milk frother tin in. I was actually able to like properly froth milk this morning, so that was really nice, and I got to learn a little bit more about the settings. So I'm feeling really good. Like, this is really good coffee. But anyway, let's get the day started. And I'm back. I just quickly curled my hair. I'm obsessed with my new haircut. Like, I'm so happy I listened to him because I feel like it looks so good. I'm obsessed with it. I also did my makeup. I didn't put on mascara because I honestly didn't really feel like taking mascara off later tonight. So I'm giving my lashes a little bit of a break and going for a little bit more natural makeup look. But I just finished filming 2 different brand deals, so I'm feeling very good about that. One of them is going live tonight, so I was just filming some like extra little clips. I'll probably edit that on the way to going to go shopping. But now that I have those done, it's time to go do some Christmas shopping. Oh, I'm also wearing a super cute set from, I think it's either Micah's or Mika's. They sent me a few outfits, and this is one of the matching sets, and it's just like a dark brown, super cozy, comfy set. I'm hiding in the suitcases because it is packed. It's so overstimulating right now. But I wanted to show you. I found this really cute like baking. I think I'm gonna put the cinnamon rolls in this so that I have a long enough space to do 6 cinnamon rolls. I think it's really cute. I can't find a dough roller though, and that's like the one thing I'm really looking for. I'm back home from shopping, and honestly I am wiped out from that. That was chaos. But I wanted to quickly show you before I change into my pajamas. Remember the outfit I showed you from today? The brand actually sent me like a whole package of clothes, so I wanted to show you everything that's in the package. So we have this matching brown set, and then we have the exact same set in like a matching cream. It's like this. It's so cute. And then I also got this over-the-shoulder white long sleeve shirt. It's such a good like fun basic. And then I also got a little brown cardigan. It has this gorgeous like gold button. I love it, and the fabric is like so thick and soft, and for even like this sweat set and the shirts, they're also so soft. And then I got one last thing, which was it's like a tiger print bodysuit. It's like this, like on a night out. But now I'm gonna change because we're gonna watch a Christmas movie for tonight. Merry Christmas Eve! I just finished getting ready. I tried to do like this super cool ombre lip because I did film to get ready with me for like TikTok and Reels. Like, it looks cute, and I recreated the inspo, but I think next time I do it, I'm gonna do it with more like berry tones. I think that would look a little bit better, but I'm happy with it for today. We're gonna go into the city today and do the last little bits of Christmas shopping. I need to get wrapping paper, I need to get a dough roller, and a gift for the white elephant that we're doing with our friends. Merry Christmas Eve.
Merry Christmas Eve.
Aww. Red Bull. It's also so Christmassy in the city, and I'm happy I have my bodyguard with me this time, so I won't be so overstimulated in the huge crowd. Also, this is what I'm wearing, the cardigan I was showing you guys earlier in the video. Okay, we're back from the craziness of the city. It was actually so cold today. My fingers were hurting so bad, but we got everything that we needed to. So I'm gonna show you guys. So we got the roller for the cinnamon rolls. And then to go with the baking, I got this Madagascar bourbon vanilla paste. And I honestly think I'm gonna use this more for like making coffees. Like I saw a few recipes where you're using the vanilla bean paste for making coffee. And I thought that would be really fun. But this is also great for baking. The lady was telling me that a lot of really good bakers will come into the store and get this. I'm really excited. Hopefully that goes well. And then we also ran out of candles for our gold candle holders, and so we decided to get 3 different colors. We got red, white, and green, and then we got our wrapping paper. So we went with this pattern, really cute, and then I got green and gold twine to wrap around it. It wasn't what I had envisioned for the wrapping paper. I actually envisioned like a monochromatic, either red or green or even white wrapping paper, and then like the big bows, but I couldn't find any good bows. And I saw this and just thought, you know what, that's really classy and cute, and I feel like that'll be good. I'm so happy. I was just about to put the candle holders in here, and the old candles were like, I had to melt them down at the bottom. These ones literally fit perfectly in and like don't move, and I don't have to melt the bottom. Oh no, I literally just broke it.
What'd you break?
The candle holder.
Really?
I don't even know how I did that. I can't believe that just happened. Okay, moving on. Okay, that's literally perfect. I was also about to start wrapping gifts, and then I just realized that we didn't get tape. Oh no.